Hello guys, and welcome back to this video. In this video I'll be showing you how to claim your and redeem your subscription for the GenAI pathway. So first thing you have to do is you have to log into your Gmail, and then you would have got an enrollment mail like this. Once you've got your enrollment mail, when you scroll down you would have got the pathways to complete and the code with that. So the code is same for the first two pathways. You don't have to claim it twice. If you claim it once, it will be applicable for both. That is why the codes are same. And please don't claim level 3 until it is set to do so. Now if you scroll down a little bit, here there is procedure given to you. This part, get your credits pass, and here in the second step there's a link given to you. So you have to right click on that link, copy the link address, and open it in a new incognito window. Please do all these steps in an incognito window and hit enter. Once you are at this dialog box, you have to come back to your mail, and here itself the code is given. You have to copy it properly without any spaces before or after and in between. Now paste it over here. Make sure there is no space before, make sure there is no space after and in between, and make sure you're still signed out. Do not sign in. Click on I'm not a robot. That is the captcha box. Then click on submit. After clicking on submit, now you have to sign in. Sign in with the new account which you have made, otherwise your progress cannot be tracked and you won't be able to complete the event. Now I'm just logging into the account. Give me a minute. Now once you're signed in, it will reload you back to the same page, but when you click on your avatar over here, you'll see that you would have got 9 credits now. So, okay, after entering the code and signing in, you'll get 9 credits in your account. Now what you have to do is you have to perform the lab over here, which is displayed. Only one lab is displayed. This is called a tour of Google Cloud hands-on lab. Now just click on this lab. Okay, now I'm going to show you a shortcut to complete this lab. This shortcut is only applicable to complete this lab. What I have to do is I have to get a 100 on 100 score over here. So first I'll start the lab. Then I'll copy this username or mail address and click on open Google Console. Okay, it's already pasted. Now I'll copy this password. I'll paste the password here. Click on next. Click on I understand. You will log in into the Google Console by the credentials given by the Google Cloud. Now again you have to check the box, agree and continue. Now as I told, I have a shortcut for this lab. You can directly jump to task number 4. In task number 4, it asks me to enable the Dialogflow API. So this one, what I'll do is come back to my dashboard. In the search, I'll search for Dialogflow API. Okay, and you'll get a Dialogflow API over here. You should not click on this one, not documentation and tutorials one. When you see a bit down, you'll see something as marketplace. In the marketplace, you have to click on Dialogflow API. Wait till it loads, and now click on enable. One second. Now once this is enabled, the page will reload again, and the interface will be a bit different. Let us wait until it gets enabled. Yes, now the API Dialogflow API is enabled, and after enabling the Dialogflow API, it looks something like this. You can directly come back to the lab, and over here you can click on check my progress, and below also you have to click on check my progress. You have to get a green tick over here, and you see I get 100 on 100 points. After getting 100 on 100 points, I'm going to end the lab. Okay, and now I'll just come back I'll reload the page a few times. Oftentimes it happens that you don't get a monthly subscription immediately, but that was not in my case. I have received the monthly subscription after coming back and reloading the pages. So after completing the lab successfully, also if you don't get the monthly subscription even after reloading a few times, what you have to do is you have to click on settings, and over here in subscription and credits, when you check, the proper information will be given that you have got a monthly subscription. So that is how you claim the first two pathways, and for the third pathway we'll make another video, but and please don't claim it right now. So for these two you can just start with the labs. So that's all for today's video. Thank you guys.